Hello, everyone. Welcome to Microsoft Research Summit Workshop on Next Generation Networking and its platform. I'm Lili Qiu, an Assistant Managing Director from Microsoft Research Asia. On behalf of the workshop organizers, 志雄牛、贝贝石、彭晨、永强雄、韦哲石, I'd like to welcome everyone to our workshop and thank all the speakers and panelists for sharing their exciting work. We have a fantastic program today that spans from wireline to wireless, from 5G to 6G, from low mobility to high mobility, from the ground to the space. The emergence of 5G has created many exciting opportunities for both scientific and technology advance. Dr. Victor Barr, who is our technical fellow and CTO for Azure for Operator, will give an exciting keynote speech. He will share with us his rich experience and insights in bringing telecom industry to Azure as an integral component of its global infrastructure. After keynote, we will have the first technical session focused on 5G and 6G. Matter surface consists of many sub-wavelength cells. They have exhibited unprecedented capability of reshaping the electromagnetic wave propagation and created magical phenomena such as perfect refraction, negative refraction. Professor Kyle Jameson from Princeton University will share with us his cutting-edge research on designing programmable matter surfaces that enable millimeter wave beam to propagate in desirable direction and overcome blockage issues. Next, we will have a slight change in our program. The next technical talk will be on edge computing for space. Edge computing is a widely successful technology for many application scenarios. But have you heard about edge computing for space? What are the unique challenges and opportunities edge computing in space brings, and the direction in which we can shape the future edge computing for space? Dr. Ranvir Chandra and Dr. Shadi Nahabi will share with us their insight on this important topic. At the end of the first session, I will present our recent work on supporting extreme mobility for beyond 5G cellular networks. Our second technical session will be focused on platform for emerging mobile and wireless network using OpenNetLab. OpenNetLab is a network research community project. It provides a universal distributed network testing platform and real-world network evaluation dataset to promote the application and development of AI in networking research. Professor Ye Tian and Professor Chen Tian will share with us their valuable experience on enhancing networking education with OpenNetLab. Professor Bohong Chen will discuss RL-based congestion control for real-time communication using OpenNetLab. Professor Hong Xu will present his latest work on network stack in the cloud. At the end of the workshop, we'll have an in-depth panel discussion led by Dr. Yong Qiangxiong. We'll have a distinguished group of panelists consisting of Professor Mo Li, Zhixiong Niu, Chen Tian, Ye Tian, Chenren Xu, Hong Xu. The panel will be focused on the new generation networks, including both 6G, Wi-Fi 7, and the research platform for these new networks.